Hey there, are you tired of feeling unsure about where your relationship is headed? Do you find yourself wondering if your guy is truly invested in you or if he's just going through the motions? If so, you're not alone. Many women struggle with the same feeling of uncertainty, but don't worry, in today's video we're going to show you 13 subtle ways to make him want you more. These tips will help you build a deeper connection with your guy and make him want more of you in the relationship. So, are you ready to take your relationship to the next level? Let's get started. Number 1. Build your confidence. If you want to make your guy really interested in you, it's important to have confidence. When you feel good about yourself, it shows in the way you carry yourself and the way you interact with others. So take the time to focus on building your confidence. This could mean working on your appearance, taking up a new hobby or activity, or simply reminding yourself of all of the things that you're good at. Feeling confident can make you more appealing to your partner, increasing the likelihood of them wanting a deeper connection with you. Number 2. Show interest in his interests. Do you want to make your guy crave more time with you? Show an interest in the things he's passionate about. This doesn't mean you have to become an expert on his favorite sports team or hobby, but it does mean taking the time to listen and ask questions when he talks about these things. When he notices that you have similar interests and passions, he'll feel a stronger connection to you and be more open to taking the relationship further. Number 3. Keep things fresh and exciting. Relationships can become stagnant if you're not careful. To keep your guy wanting more with you, it's important to keep things fresh and exciting. This could mean planning surprise date nights, taking a weekend trip together, or simply trying new things together. If you show your guy that you're willing to put in the effort to keep things fresh and exciting, he'll be more likely to want to be with you even more. Number 4. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is key in any relationship. It's important to be able to express your needs and feelings to your guy, and also to be able to listen to and understand his. When you can talk things out clearly and effectively, it makes it a lot easier to handle any problems that come up. And let's be real, your guy will want to stick around you even more. Number 5. Show your independent side. While it's important to be able to rely on your guy, it's also important to be able to stand on your own 2 feet. When you're able to show your independent side, it demonstrates to your guy that you're strong and a capable person. If you show him that you're someone who can bring value to his life, he'll be more inclined to want to spend more time with you. Number 6. Be affectionate. Affection is an important part of any relationship, whether it's holding hands, cuddling, or simply giving your guy a kiss. Showing affection helps to create a deeper connection. When your man feels like you love and desire him, he'll want to be closer to you and build a stronger connection. Number 7. Show appreciation. Showing your guy that you appreciate him is a key part of keeping the spark alive in your relationship. When you take the time to thank your guy for the things he does for you, he'll feel appreciated and valued. This will make him more likely to want to go further with you, and he'll see that you recognize and value his contribution to the relationship. Number 8. Play it cool. When it comes to dating and relationships, playing it cool can be a great way to make him want more of you. Guys often like the chase, so by playing it cool and not being too available, you'll keep him guessing and wondering what you're up to. This can make him more interested in you, and he'll be more likely to make an effort to see you and spend more time with you. Number 9. Be mysterious. Being mysterious can be a great way to make him want more of you. By keeping some things about yourself a secret, you'll create an air of mystery around you that will keep him guessing and wanting more. This doesn't mean you should be closed off or secretive, but it does mean that you should be selective about what you share and when you share it. Number 10. Take charge. Being in control of your own happiness and taking charge of your own life can be a super attractive trait to him. It makes him want to be around you. Guys often like women who are confident and self-assured, so by being in control of your own life, you'll show him that you are a strong, independent woman who doesn't need him to be happy. This can make him more attracted to you and more interested in being a part of your life. Number 11. Be yourself. At the end of the day, the most important thing you can do to make him want more of you is just to be yourself. Guys often like women who are genuine and authentic. So by being true to yourself, you're showing him that you're not trying to be someone else just to impress him. This can make him more attracted to you and more likely to want to be with you in the long term. Number 12. Be confident. Confidence is a powerful tool when it comes to attracting men. When you're confident in yourself and your abilities, it shows that you're comfortable in your own skin and that you're not afraid to be yourself. This can make you more attractive to men and make them want to be around you more. And number 13. Show interest in his life. Men like to feel appreciated and valued, and showing interest in his life is a great way to do that. By asking him about his day, his interests, and his passions, you'll show him that you care about him and that you're interested in his life. This can make him feel more connected to you, which will make him want to push the relationship further. In conclusion, there's a bunch of little things you can do to make a guy really want to be with you, like being kind of mysterious and playing it cool, or being super independent and just being yourself. These tips can help you get the guy you're into and make him want to be with you even more. Just remember to always believe in yourself, be real, and show that you care about him and his life. With all that in mind, you'll be on your way to making him crazy about you.